Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but in the ocean they are powerful swimmers. They live in some of the coldest places on earth, where survival depends on endurance. A penguin's life begins on frozen ground, born into vast colonies. A chick relies on its parents for warmth and food. In extreme cold, fathers and mothers take turns protecting their young, and the mothers protecting their young. As the chick grows and must face the sea for the first time, cold waters, strong currents, and predators turn every swim into a test of life and death. Adult penguins spend most of their lives at sea, diving deep to hunt fish, krill, and squid. On land, they return to the same breeding grounds year after year, guided by memory and instinct. But life is never easy. Storms, melting ice, and changing oceans threaten their future. A penguin